let me show you how to do Copper data import. There are two possible ways: import data directly from another CRM into Copper, or set up import from a CSV into Copper of your contacts, opportunities, etc. You can import companies, people, leads, opportunities, activities, and tasks into Copper. Importing is like building a house. It has to follow a specific order, to have top-level objects, basement to come first. So we start with an import of companies, and we import them directly from other CRM. Use Import to Wizard to do your import. You need to go to import2.com. Import2 offers a free trial for its customers. Sign up for instant access and try the functionality. Type in your name, email, and select the password to sign up. Okay, you're in. You get to Wizard dashboard. Here you select the function you need. I will import companies from other CRM, so I select App to App here. First, you select a CRM you import from. I have a list of cloud apps already added to my Import to Wizard account. For the first time, you just press a plus sign to add a new connection of the app you use. I will import Salesforce companies, but as you can see, it's just an example. Your companies might be in any other app. There are three ways to add your data. You can import, add new records, you can update existing records, or use a combination of those two, Upsert, which will add new and update existing records. I will use the first option to import new companies. On the next step, use drop-down menus to select data fields in Salesforce, the app you import from, and a corresponding field in Copper. You have pre-selected mappings here that you can modify if you wish. It is possible to map custom fields you have in the Source app and in Copper. You find them in the drop-down under the Custom Field category. Once you have mapped the fields, press to start the import. Then you get a preview of which companies are imported into Copper. Now you have learned how to import companies. Let's say you also imported contacts, and I'm going to quickly show you an import of leads from another CRM into Copper. Again, follow same steps. Select where you are importing from, objects, and then again you get to the mapping step, where you can select fields you want to map between the apps. You can also assign leads owners. Map the field owner to do that. Once the import is complete, you preview all the leads that were imported and then verify them in Copper. Another way to import data into Copper is to start a CSV import, and I will show you how to import activities and link them to leads. I have opened my CSV with activities in Google Sheets. Make sure to have activity type indicated in a CSV, either a phone call or a meeting. I have a lead name to link activity to a lead. An activity date is required field when importing activities. Select CSV import. Then select Copper. Activities, and upload a CSV with activities. Then match data between CSV file and Copper activities fields. Column names appear as a list in a drop-down menu. Map the columns, fields you want to import. Make sure to select the date format exactly as you have it in your file. To link the activity to a lead, map the field related to and select Lead. I select Name here since I have it in my CSV in this column. Press Start Import and continue. Again, you get a preview of imported activities. That's it! You have learned to import data into Copper. Let us know in the comments if you have any questions back to us. Subscribe now to learn how to move your business data.